What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to make a Discord bot that can send automated messages to your server. You don't have to download anything because the code editor we are going to use is going to be online, and all the packages too. So make sure to follow step by step even if you don't have a coding experience, because it will be simple. So the first step that you are going to make is to open your browser, and you are going to this website, thiscord.com/developers. The link will be in the video description, and here all Discord members can add applications, and we are going to create a new application, and I'm going to name it I am not a bot. Then after creating it, we are going to add our bot. We are going to bot, and we are going to click add bot, and we are going to click on yes, do it. And after doing this, the bot our bot is created, and here at bot we have our token that gives permissions to use it. And after doing this, we are going to auth 2, and here we are going to the scopes, and we are going to click on bot. That will make our application a bot, and we are going to give our bot some permissions, and we are going to click on bot permissions administrator. And after doing this, we are going to invite our bot to our server, and we can do that by copying this link over here, and it's after scopes, and we're going to copy it, and you're going to a new tab and paste it and click enter. So here we can invite our bot to our server. We're going to click your server name and continue, then authorize as administrator. Human activation. So our bot is authorized. If you need to check that, you are going to thiscord.com, and you're going to your server. Mine is Tech with Martin if you want to join, and as you can see, I am not a bot has joined. So now after doing this, we have to make our code. You don't need an editor, because we are going to use an online editor like Glitch. You don't have to download anything. You're going to search for Glitch, go to the Glitch website. You can log in, or if you have an account, or if you don't have one, you can sign up with Google. And here we are going to click on new project, and we are going to choose the Glitch Hello SQLite. This will create our project. So our project is created. We need to delete some files like todo.md, license.md. We are going to delete it. Getting core, we are going to delete it. src, we are going to delete it, and public, we are going to delete it. So after deleting these files, we are going to package .json, and we are going to click on add package, and we are going to search for thiscord.js, and we are going to select the latest version of thiscord.js, and our package is now added, and we are going to server.js, where our main code will be, and we are going to delete it. We are going to start from scratch. I don't want to waste your time by coding, so you can go to my repository, and I am not a bot, and here you have the server.js file. You are going to copy this code, and I will explain to you what it does. So what this does, it creates a connection between the client and the Discord, and it makes a filter and it search for if you type message, and if the message is equal to ping, it will send pong at the same time. So client.login, we have to log in, and we can do that by going to our bot thiscord developer portal, and we are going to click on bot, and here we have our token that gives use permission, and we are going to copy it and then go to our server.js on glitch, and we are going to paste it between these tokens. So now, after doing this, we are going to tools, and we are going to click on terminal, and here we have to install thiscord.js one more time, and we can do that by copying this command and pasting. The command will be in the link of the video description, and the link will be in the video description, and you are going to paste it here. npm it will install thiscord.js, and after our packages are downloaded, we can click on this refresh button, and it will start our application, and we are going to check if it is online. And as you can see, our bot is online. If you followed everything, it should be online, but if it's not, you can leave a comment, or you can join my Discord server and I will help you there. So now that our bot is online, we are going to test it by typing a message like the ping message, and it will send the pong at the same time. So this is a simple function of our bot, and I'll show you one more function. And we can go to our bot. We are going to make a meme bot. We're going to copy this and then pasting it over here, and instead of ping, we're going to type meme, and instead of pong, we are going to open a new tab, and we are going to search for a random meme, and you can choose one meme, or just meme. We can choose this one, and we are going to save our image. So now we can go to our server.js, and we are going to at our project, we are going to click on assets, and we are going to drop a new asset, our download, and you are going to click at the imported image, and we are going to copy this link. You can click copy, or you can do it manually, and then you can go to server.js, and we are going to paste it at message.channel.send between these tokens, and now you can test it by going to your meme channel, and you can type meme. As you can see, the bot sends the meme. Lol. That's a simple command again. So this was the video for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you need any help, feel free to comment on the comment section, and I will do my best to help you. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so I can catch you on the next video. Peace out.